Are we alone in the universe? This question has been asked by humans for centuries and still remains one of the biggest mysteries of our existence. As we peer into the cosmos, we're met with a silence that is as profound as it is perplexing. The universe is a vast, sprawling canvas of cosmic wonder, with galaxies that number in the billions and planets that are even more plentiful. These celestial bodies twinkle in the night sky, a constant reminder of the infinite possibilities that they hold. Could there be life out there, looking back at us, sharing the same questions and curiosities? The universe is a veritable treasure trove of potential homes for life as we know it, and possibly even life as we don't. But if the universe is so vast, why haven't we encountered any signs of intelligent life? Enter the concept of the Great Filter. The Great Filter, a theory proposed by economist Robin Hanson, is an answer to the silence of the universe. This intriguing notion seeks to explain why, despite the vastness of the universe and the high probability of life-supporting planets, we haven't yet encountered any signs of extraterrestrial life. Imagine a series of steps or stages that life must pass through to reach a high level of development. These stages range from the simple to the complex, from the origin of life itself, to the evolution of multicellular organisms, to the development of intelligence, and finally, to the creation of a civilization capable of colonizing other planets. Each of these stages is like a filter, a hurdle that must be overcome for life to progress. Some of these filters are obvious. For instance, the jump from single-celled to multicellular life is a significant leap that took billions of years on Earth. Other filters, like the development of intelligence, are more mysterious, but no less daunting. The Great Filter theory suggests that somewhere within these stages there's a filter so challenging, so improbable to pass, that it stops most life from progressing further. This could be something we've already passed, like the emergence of complex life, or something we've yet to face, like the survival of technological civilization without self-destruction. So, the eerie silence of the cosmos might not be because we're alone, but because life elsewhere has stumbled at one of these filters. It's a sobering thought, isn't it? It makes you appreciate how miraculous our existence truly is, and how precious life is in this vast, silent universe. But it also raises a question. If there is a great filter, where are we in this progression? Have we already passed the most challenging hurdles, or are the toughest trials still ahead of us? The Great Filter theory suggests that there is a stage in this progression that is extremely hard to surpass, which could explain why we haven't found extraterrestrial life. This doesn't mean we should stop searching, but it does give us a new perspective on our place in the universe. If the Great Filter theory holds true, then we must ask ourselves, where are we in relation to this filter? Let's delve into this, shall we? There are two possibilities to consider. The first one is that we, as a species, have already passed the Great Filter. That's a comforting thought, isn't it? It implies that we've already faced and overcome whatever astronomical odds were stacked against us. The trials and tribulations that life on Earth has endured, the mass extinctions, the ice ages, the volcanic eruptions, they could all be components of this Great Filter. Essentially, we could be one of the fortunate few civilizations that have managed to squeeze through this cosmic sieve, emerging on the other side, still alive and kicking. But here's the rub. If we've already passed the Great Filter, why haven't we detected any other civilizations that have done the same? Why does the universe seem so eerily quiet? This paradox only deepens the mystery of the Great Filter. Now let's consider the second possibility. What if the Great Filter is still ahead of us? This is a more unsettling proposition. It suggests that the silence of the cosmos is not because civilizations don't arise, but rather because they don't survive. The filter, in this case, could be an inevitable event, or series of events that no advanced civilization can overcome. Maybe it's a self-inflicted catastrophe like nuclear war or environmental collapse. Or perhaps it's something beyond our control, like a devastating asteroid impact or a gamma-ray burst from a nearby star. Whichever the case may be, if the Great Filter is still ahead of us, it suggests a potentially grim future. It means we're not out of the cosmic woods yet, and the silence we hear from the stars could be a forewarning of challenges yet to come. The answer to this question could have profound implications for our future. It's a riddle that's as fascinating as it is unnerving, and one that may define our place in the grand scheme of the universe. Why does understanding the Great Filter matter? The answer lies in our curiosity and our survival. The concept of the Great Filter is not just an intellectual exercise. It carries profound implications for our future and our understanding of life beyond our planet. Firstly, let's consider survival. If the Great Filter lies ahead of us, it suggests a future hurdle that no advanced civilization has yet overcome. This could be anything from a global catastrophe to a technological mishap. By studying the Great Filter, we might be able to anticipate these challenges and prepare ourselves better. It's akin to seeing a storm on the horizon and taking necessary precautions. But it's not all doom and gloom. The Great Filter also sheds light on our search for extraterrestrial life. If we can identify where the filter might occur in the development of civilizations, we can refine our search for life beyond Earth. We could focus on planets at similar stages of development, or even look for signs of civilizations that have failed to pass the filter. The Great Filter, in this sense, provides us with a roadmap to the cosmos. Moreover, the Great Filter theory pushes us to reflect on our place in the universe. If we have already passed the filter, it could mean we are amongst the first, if not the only, to do so. This realization can be both humbling and empowering. Humbling because it highlights our fragility and singularity in the vast cosmos. Empowering because it underscores our potential to navigate the universe's challenges and thrive. Lastly, the Great Filter provokes us to question and explore. It encourages us to seek answers beyond our current understanding and to push the boundaries of knowledge. It reminds us that the universe is full of mysteries waiting to be unraveled. Ultimately, the Great Filter theory offers us a unique perspective on our place in the universe and our quest to answer that age-old question: are we alone?